Hey everyone, if you're eyeing an iPhone upgrade, this might just be the perfect year to make the leap. Today I'm diving into why the upcoming iPhone 16, especially the Pro models, 1. The last triple camera design. The iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to be the final ones with the triple camera setup. They're likely to be the most refined version of this design. Apple often has hiccups with new designs, so going with the iPhone 16 might be smarter than waiting for the iPhone 17, which could come with its own issues. 2. Significant battery improvements. Battery life is getting a major boost. If you've been underwhelmed by your current iPhone's battery, the iPhone 16 Pro should impress you. Apple's focusing on better thermal management and efficiency after last year's overheating problems. With a new stainless steel casing and advanced cooling materials, you'll see better performance and longer battery life. 3. Exciting new capture button. The iPhone 16 Pro models are adding a dedicated capture button, which replaces the mute switch. This new button will let you take photos and zoom in and out without even touching your screen. 4. Bigger and better displays. If you love big screens, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is getting a huge 6.9-inch display, while the Pro will have a 6.3-inch display. Apple's using border reduction technology, so the phone sizes won't change dramatically. 5. Faster charging speeds. Charging speeds are getting a serious upgrade. The iPhone 16 Pro will see wired charging speeds jump from 27 watts to 40 watts, and MagSafe charging will increase from 15 watts to 20 watts. This means quicker top-ups and less time tethered to your charger. That's a wrap on why the iPhone 16 Pro might be your best upgrade this year. Which feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. See you next time.